Guess these creatures. Deep red covered in green spots, the creature waves its tentacles in the water to trap tiny prey. Guess the creature. Strawberry anemone or Actinia fragacia. 1. Actinia fragacia, commonly known as the strawberry anemone. 2. It is a species of sea anemone of the order Actiniaria that occurs from Norway to Africa, including adjacent islands and the Mediterranean. 3. It is generally found on rocks of the lower shoreline and depths up to 8 to 10 meters. The paper-thin body of this colorful animal ripples as it swims along. Guess the worm. Polyclad flatworm or Polycladida. 1. The Polycladida represents a highly diverse clade of free-living marine flatworms. 2. They are known from the littoral to the sublittoral zone, and many species are common from coral reefs. The bells of this jellyfish are usually around 30 centimeters, 1 foot, in diameter. Its sting is painful but not dangerous, much like a well-known sting plant. Guess the jellyfish. The Pacific sea nettle or Chrysaora fascicens. 1. The Pacific sea nettle, or West Coast sea nettle, is a common planktonic cyphozoan. 2. Lives in the eastern Pacific Ocean from Canada to Mexico. 3. Sea nettles have a distinctive golden-brown bell with a reddish tint. Its name might make this creature sound edible, but it's a relative of starfishes and is actually poisonous to eat, a good defense. Guess the creature. Sea apple. 1. Sea apple is the common name for the colorful and somewhat round sea cucumbers of the genus Pseudocolocheris. 2. It is found in Indo-Pacific waters. Sea apples are filter feeders with tentacles, ovate bodies, and tube-like feet. This animal lives attached to the rocks and is a bivalve, which means it has two shell parts hinged together. Guess the creature. Blue mussel or Mytilus edulis. 1. The blue mussel, also known as the common mussel. 2. It is a medium-sized edible marine bivalve mollusk in the family Mytillidae, the mussels. 3. Blue mussels are subject to commercial use and intensive aquaculture. 4. A species with a large range, empty shells are commonly found on beaches around the world. A pale shell is a good disguise for scurrying on sandy beach. Guess the creature. Horned ghost crab or Ossipode ceratophthalmus. 1. Ossipode ceratophthalmus, the horned ghost crab or horn-eyed ghost crab. 2. It is a species of ghost crab. It lives in the Indo-Pacific region, from the coast of East Africa to the Philippines and from Japan to the Great Barrier Reef. They also occur in the Pacific Islands to as far east as Polynesia and Clipperton Island. The feathery tentacles might look festive, but they are used for catching food. Guess the creature. Christmas tree tube worm or Spirobranchus giganteus. 1. Spirobranchus giganteus, commonly known as the Christmas tree worm. 2. It is a tube-building polychaete worm belonging to the family Serpulidae. One of the deadliest animals on Earth, the color pattern is a warning that its bite is deadly venomous. Guess the creature. Blue-ringed octopus or Hapalochlina. Blue-ringed octopuses, comprising the genus Hapalochlina, are 4 highly venomous species of octopus that are found in tide pools and coral reefs in the Pacific and Indian Oceans, from Japan to Australia. Unlike its relatives, the squid and octopus, this swimming creature lives in a mobile shell. Guess the creature. Chambered nautilus or Nautilus pompilius. 1. The chambered nautilus, also called the pearly nautilus, is the best-known species of nautilus. 2. The shell, when cut away, reveals a lining of lustrous nacre and displays a nearly perfect equiangular spiral, although it is not a golden spiral. This is really a branching colony of tiny animals that are like miniature anemones. Guess the creature. Sea pen or Penachalacia. 1. Sea pens are colonial marine cnidarians belonging to the order Penachalacia. 2. There are 14 families within the order, 35 extant genera, and it is estimated that of 450 described species, around 200 are valid. Thanks for watching.